Netgear Orbi Pro AC3000 Tri-Band Wi-Fi Setup. 1. Unbox the system, remove the router and satellite units, power adapters, and Ethernet cable from the box. 2. Position the router, place the main router in a central location near your modem for optimal coverage. 3. Connect to modem, use the included Ethernet cable to connect the Orbi router's WAN port to your modem. 4. Power on the router, plug in the router and wait for the LED to turn solid white, indicating readiness. 5. Place the satellite, position the satellite within range of the router for seamless connectivity. 6. Power on the satellite, plug it in and wait until the LED turns solid white, showing it's synced with the router. 7. Connect to Orbi network, use your device to connect to the default Wi-Fi network listed on the router label. 8. Access Orbi setup, open a web browser and go to orbilogen.com to begin the setup process. 9. Login, enter the default username and password found on the router label. 10. Follow the setup wizard, complete the guided steps to configure your network, including Wi-Fi name and password. Thank you for watching.